to mark this with. The pencil's good, but it rubs off. Stylus actually scores the metal, so I won't lose the mark. I can rub it over like that and I won't lose it. It's also more precise because a pencil tip can be broad or it can be narrow, and if you're cutting to a mark, you can be out by a little bit, and it could be just enough to muck you about. Now we've got to file that piece out. Some files have a cutting edge here too. This one hasn't. This one has. If I was to use this one, I could end up cutting in this direction as well as downward. Okay, because I've got two cutting edges working at the same time. Now I don't want that to happen right now. I want to just go down. So I'm using one with no teeth on that edge. Now I need to bring that in a bit, so now I'm going to use this one. And that will cut in the other direction. That gives me a nice sharp corner in there, nice edge.